Coal has various uses and works in many ways. The most significant uses of coal are in electricity generation, steel production, cement manufacturing, and as liquid fuel. Different types of coal have different uses. Steam coal, also known as thermal coal, is mainly used in power generation. Coal has many pros and cons. The pros for coal are that it's relatively inexpensive. Coal has relatively low capital investment compared to gas or nuclear power. The con side of coal is that it's non-renewable. There is a finite supply of coal. Coal also contains the most CO2 per BTU, the largest contributor to global warming. Clean coal is not carbon-free, which is toxic at concentration about 5%. The condition is hypercapnia. Coal is very expensive as it costs $345 billion a year, according to Harvard researchers. Given that information, coal is one of the most expensive fuels in the US. Coal is very practical as it is the cheapest source of energy, and some have found a method to mine coal so it does little environmental damage. If not properly geared, coal can be dangerous to those who inhale it. Back when people used to do the mining and not machines, miners would be at risk of black lungs. Basically lung cancer because of the high toxins in the air they breathed. Coal has been brought up among politics. In recent news, the G7 has pledged to end the use of fossil fuels, while others have debated that fossil fuels are essential and can help bring energy to third world countries. Many are uncertain of coal's future as a power source, as some universities' professors have stated that fossil fuels can't always be relied on, but recently there have been machines that can make fossil fuels last longer.
Coal powers the combustion of fossilized carbon to produce heat. Coal-fired power plants use this heat to spin turbines in order to produce electricity.
Coal is one of the world's most abundant forms of non-renewable energy. The United States is believed to contain approximately 25% of the world's known coal reserves.
The average levelized cost of conventional coal is $100 per megawatt hour, making it the fourth least expensive form of energy behind hydropower, geothermal, and natural gas.
Coal can be transformed into liquid or gas forms in addition to being burned directly. Liquefied or gasified coal is easier to transport and tends to burn cleaner.
Coal-fired power plants are a major source of air pollution. The carbon dioxide emissions from coal are a major cause of acid rain and climate change.
Air pollution from coal power plants pose serious health concerns. Individuals with respiratory disease are especially susceptible to the particulates that are produced by these plants. Additionally, the act of burning coal releases heavy metals like mercury and lead, which cause developmental and neurological problems in humans.
Coal is a finite resource. Coal reserves are the product of thousands of years of decomposition and compression of organic material. It is currently being used at a rate that is nowhere near sustainable.